morning, little ones. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our EVS class. So, students, as you all know, in this session we are going to do the discussion of the worksheet, right? Worksheet of chapter number 11, that was We Save Water. Today we will cross check the answers of that worksheet, and also I will be giving you the next chapter's worksheet, like lesson 12 worksheet I will be giving you. And as you all know, our lesson number 11 and lesson number 12 is completed. Okay, so students, on Monday I will be taking the test of lesson number 11, bookwork and very short question answers. Okay, your test will be there of, I am writing here at the side, that is your homework. Homework will be test of lesson number 11, bookwork and very short question answer. Okay, and that is on Monday. I hope it is clear to all of you that what is the homework of the day, and also I will be giving you the worksheet, so you all have to do that worksheet. I will be sending the PDF file. So let's start cross check the answers of lesson number 11 worksheet. So that worksheet was first question given on the worksheet was, look at the given pictures and write how can we reuse the water. Pictures were given to us and we had to tell how can we reuse the water, what are they doing in the pictures, that we have to tell. So as you all know, in the first picture here, in the first picture, as you can see, in this picture a boy is washing his hands, and the other boys and the same boys just throwing that water in the pot, right? So in the toilet he is throwing the water. So here what we can do, how we can reuse the water. So here question number first, and the first picture is representing like that water we use for washing, water we use for washing hands and washing hands and face. That water can be collected in a bucket, right? That water can be collected in a bucket and can reuse, yes, that can reused in the toilet. Is it clear to all of you that what is first picture is presenting? Representing, it's like water that we use for washing hands and face. That water can be collected in a bucket, right? And can reused in the toilet. And that water we can reuse in the toilet. So I hope your wording is little bit different than me, but that's okay. The main idea is just to represent it like this. Then look at the second picture. Look at the second picture. This picture. In this picture you can see a girl is washing the fruits and vegetables, right? So, and in the second here, she is giving the water to the plant. So how can we reuse the water here? What we can do, that water used for washing vegetables. Water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be collected and reused for watering plants. Plants को water देने के लिए we can use that water. I hope you all have done it correctly. But cross checking is the must, so that is important to do. Okay, then next picture. Okay, now the next picture. This picture, what you can see in this picture? Yes, a lady is washing the clothes and the other lady is just mopping the floor, right? So how we can reuse the water here? See, what we will do, water used for washing clothes can be collected. That water also we can collect. Can be collected in some tubs or some containers, big containers, and reused for mopping the floor. In cleaning the home, we can use that water in mopping the floor. So these were the three pictures given to us that how can we reuse the water, how can we save the water. See, if we will reuse the water, so that is we are saving the water. And we should not waste water, we should drink plenty of water. So this was about the given pictures, and we have to tell like how can we reuse the water. Now the next is given to us. Tick the correct actions and cross the wrong ones. Correct actions we have to tick and the wrong ones we have to put cross. So what we will be doing? Yeah. So I am erasing this one. Question number first. Okay. Then question number 2 is tick for the correct picture and cross for the wrong picture. Okay, so first picture is this boy is taking bath under the shower. Is it correct? Is it correct? No, we shouldn't take bath under the shower daily. Yeah, sometimes it can be, but water wastage is much. So we will put cross in the picture, in the front of picture number A. This is wrong. So इससे हमारा जो वाटर है वो ज़्यादा वेस्ट हो रहा है. Then you can see the second picture. Second picture, that boy is washing his hands, but the tap is running. So what is happening here? Wastage of water, right? So this picture is also put cross. This is also wrong. We should not do this, right? We should save water always while washing your hands or washing your face. Always close the tap and then wash your hands. Okay, then in the third picture you can see, this girl is washing the utensils. Again, she is washing the utensils under the running tap. And as I told you that we can just collect the water in a bucket, and with that water we can wash utensils. So इससे क्या होगा? Water save होगा. जो पानी हमने collect किया, we will use only that water, but the running tap will waste much water. So C picture is again cross. Then next is, you can see this tap is leaking, right? This tap is leaking. So this is again cross. We should man the pipe. Always we should man the taps as soon as possible. Okay, the next is, yeah, this boy is drinking water. This boy is putting water in the glass. So he is doing right. So this is the correct picture. Okay. The next, this uncle is standing here. And he is cleaning his car with the help of bucket and mug. He is not using pipe, so he is doing correct thing. Okay, so this is again right. In the next picture, you can see this boy is using pipe for cleaning, for washing the car. So he is doing the wrong thing. We should use bucket and mug for that. Okay, the next, bucket is full with water, but the tap is running. So what is happening? Water is falling out of the bucket and it is just a wastage of water. It is again cross. Okay, so this was about the worksheet of chapter number 11, and also our very short question answers, and every question answers are done. So let's revise very short question answer as I am giving you for the homework also, that test also. So which is the main source of water on the earth? Main source of water on the earth is, that is rain. Rain is the main source of water. And I have given you name two vessels for storing water. Water को store करने के लिए कोई भी two vessels we can use. We can use any, like two vessels used for storing water are buckets, drums, pots, bottles, that can be anything. Okay, so this was about the very short question answers, and also I am telling you which worksheet I am giving you for the homework. I am giving you worksheet of chapter number 11. Sorry, chapter number 12. Houses we make. I am giving you this worksheet. In this worksheet, first question is identify the given houses and write one line about each. Some pictures are given to you of houses. You have to tell about the houses and you have to write one line about each house. Then second question is you have to tell the material used in kacha houses and material used in pakka houses. Also, you have to match the following. There are match the following given. And then the fourth question is name the types of houses made in the following region. So जहाँ पर heavy rainfall होती है वहाँ पर किस तरह के घर बनते हैं. Areas that are generally flooded due to heavy rain, वहाँ पर किस तरह के घर होते हैं. Areas that are covered with snow throughout the year, जहाँ पे already सारा time snow होती है, पूरा year snow होती है, वहाँ पर किस तरह के home होते हैं. In town and cities किस तरह के home होते हैं और in villages किस तरह के home होते हैं. That you have to write. Okay, so this was about the worksheet that I am giving you today. I am sending the PDF file of this worksheet. If you want to do it on this, so you can take print out and paste it in your EVS notebook. So homework is test of lesson number 11 bookwork and very short question answers on Monday. And I will be taking the test at near 12 o'clock. Okay, not during the class. During the class, I'm not taking the test. I will be taking the test on a Monday at 12 o'clock. Is it clear to all of you the timings? If you are having any problem, you can call me and ask me anything and do the given worksheet that I am sending. Do the given worksheet. Okay, students, I hope you all enjoyed it and cross-checked your answers. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.